Hello and welcome to CP340 Network and Data Security Lesson Number 5. Address security and connectivity concerns, where applicable. Today we're going to discuss articulating internet security, using password policies to define the acceptable combinations for created passwords, and apply application security to protect a solution from unauthorized access. Articulate internet security. The internet is full of wondrous sights, but it's also full of unsavory characters you need to guard against. Never enter personal information in an email message when you don't know the recipient. Never enter personal information on a website provided as a link in an email message. Never include personal information in an internet forum, discussion group, or news group message. Never use the same password for all your electronic businesses. Never divulge personal information to others over an instant message connection. Never buy from an online store that doesn't offer a secure, encrypted connection when you're prompted for your personal information and credit card number. Never download a file from a site you don't trust. Never allow a stranger to connect to your Mac using the screen sharing feature. Never allow children to use the internet without guidance and supervision. Use password policies to define the acceptable combinations for created passwords. A strong password policy is the front line of defense to confidential user information. When creating a password policy, administrators should focus on 3 key elements. Understand what a strong password policy is, enforce using strong passwords, and educate users to manage their strong passwords. Understand what a strong password policy is. A password policy is a set of rules which were created to improve computer security by motivating users to create dependable, secure passwords and then store and utilize them properly. Enforce using strong passwords. Passwords are a first line of protection against any unauthorized access into your personal computer. The stronger the password, the higher level of protection your computer has from malicious software and hackers. A strong password must be at least 8 characters long. It should not contain any of your personal information, specifically your real name, username, or even your company name. It must be very unique from your previously used passwords. It should not contain any words spelled completely. It should contain characters from the 4 primary categories, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and characters. Educate users to manage their strong passwords. Having a password like this is very secure. It contains most every element of a strong password. But how many users will remember a password like this? Chances are a strong password like this is written down on a piece of paper, taped to the user's monitor, underneath their keyboard, or sitting on top of their desk drawer. It might be even hidden among the random items on the user's desk. User can instead relate their passwords to things they can easily remember, like a favorite sport or hobby. For instance, I enjoy playing basketball can be changed to look like this, secure and also easily remembered by users. Apply application security to protect a solution from unauthorized access. In addition to WAFs, there are a number of methods for securing web applications. The following processes should be part of any web application security checklist: information gathering, manually review the application, identifying entry points and client-side codes, classify third-party hosted content, test the application for path traversals, vertical and horizontal access control issues, missing authorization and insecure direct object references. Cryptography. Secure all data transmissions. Has specific data been encrypted? Have weak algorithms been used? Do randomness errors exist? Denial of service. Improve an application's resilience against denial of service threats by testing for anti-automation, account lockout, HTTP protocols, DOS and SQL, wildcard DOS. This doesn't cover protection from high-volume DOS and DDoS attacks, which are best countered by a combination of filtering solutions and scalable resources. Thank you for viewing my video. I hope you found it educational.